What's going on, everyone? Today, we're going to be talking about the July 2023 real estate market update. Now, the rates have increased to 5%, which was expected. Every single bank said that the rates were going to raise by 25 basis points, and it was, so no surprise. Now, over the past year, we have seen significant growth in sales with double-digit increase. But in the most recent month, there has been a slight decline. Last year, there was a lot of uncertainty, but this year, there is more stability and things are starting to level out. One of the main factors contributing to the higher prices is, of course, the low inventory in the market. Despite this, prices have remained relatively stable, and in some cases, they've actually overcame and surpassed the peak of February 2022. Now, the good job situation has been a positive impact for Canadians, but we do need to be mindful of the concerns raised by the Bank of Canada, especially with the Canadian population reaching to 40 million. Now, the next announcements, though, will be on September 12th, and it will likely emphasize the need for caution when borrowing money. Now, we've had clients reach out to us with concerns about their upcoming mortgage renewals. Higher interest rate means less disposable income, and it's essential to carefully examine your finances and adjust accordingly. If you bought a home 5 years ago and you're approaching renewal, it may be tougher for you. Take the time to review your upcoming renewal dates and make the necessary adjustments. Now, it's important to stay informed about the market and be proactive in managing your finances. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me. Now, that said, let's just dive right into the numbers. Let's go. All right, so let's start with the sales volume in Aurora. On a year-over-year basis, we've seen a significant increase of 21%. Now, we will focus more on detached homes because they actually affect more about the Aurora real estate market in general. Now, detached homes have experienced a 7% growth, contributing to an overall surge. Now, it is important to note, though, that sales volume is still lower than the pre-pandemic numbers or the peak of the pandemic numbers of February 2022 by 40%. Now, let's turn our attention to active listings in Aurora. There is a considerable decrease in 30% compared to the previous year. This shortage of listings has led to a 2% increase in prices, despite interest rates doubling within 1 year. Now, moving on to the sale price, though, Aurora has seen an overall decrease of 4%. But it is worth noting, though, that prices were still up 30% compared to June of 2020. Now, let's discuss the type of market in Aurora. It remains a seller's market, and this hasn't changed. The market is still influenced by the low sales volume compared to the available active listings in the market. And even if you compare it to the pre-pandemic levels, it's still less than 40%. Anything from 0 to 5 is a seller's market, 5 to 6 is a balance, 6 to 12 is a buyer's market. And finally, we'll talk about the days on market in Aurora. Now, homes are selling 6 days quicker on a year-to-year basis and 16 days faster than in June 2020. And it's interesting to see that despite lower home prices, the market is still experiencing faster sales. If you found this video useful, please share it, like it, tweet it. And if you have any specific questions about your situation, give me a call at 647-931-2121. Take care. Bye-bye.